96% of colleges have recently reported that at least one of their students has seriously contemplated suicide since the beginning of the pandemic. If that's at college level, now you have made the transition from college to university, you may find yourself facing additional pressures. It may be the first time that you have lived away from home. It could be that you need the finances to get you through day-to-day university life, that job in hospitality or retail would give you, and that has been taken away from you. It may be that you've not even yet met anyone else on your course because of the pandemic, heightening that feeling of loneliness or isolation. Now, it's a long, long, long time since I personally was a student. However, I often find myself in front of hundreds of students sharing my own lived experience of myself surviving an attempted murder and the impact that had upon my own mental health. And it's surprising, having delivered that inspirational talk, just how often a student will seek out a private audience with me to open up and share an experience that they have been through in their own life. Now, I know sayings such as "it's good to talk," or "a problem shared is a problem halved," or "it's okay not to be okay." I get that those sayings can be seen as somewhat cliche. However, they are so meaningful and so powerful. I know when I was going through my darkest times, I certainly felt like I was the only person in the world going through what I was going through at that time. And that was the reason that I wrote my book, because I didn't want anyone else to feel the way that I was feeling at that time. What I would invite you to do now is to share in the comments below this video the things that are challenging you during university life at the moment. If you've also found the solution, it would be great to share that too. However, if you don't yet have the answer, please still share what it is you're going through, as you may well help a number of people who are going through exactly the same thing, feeling like they're the only person in the world experiencing what they are experiencing in this very moment. In closing, I would just like to give you one piece of advice and remind you, choose how dark things get for you. Each day, look yourself in the mirror and remind yourself that you are more than a survivor. You are a thriver.